In the ever-evolving world of technology, it's fascinating to observe how industry giants often draw inspiration from one another. While Apple has long been seen as a trendsetter, recent developments suggest that the company might be taking cues from its biggest rival, Google. The iPhone 16e and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro are prime examples of how Apple is adapting its strategies, potentially in response to Google's growing influence in the smartphone market. Let's explore what these devices reveal about the dynamic between these two tech titans. For years, Samsung positioned itself as Apple's primary competitor, but it seems Apple's focus has shifted. The iPhone 16e and iPhone 17 Pro suggest that Apple now views Google as its most significant rival. Both companies have a history of taking jabs at each other in their marketing campaigns, but this time it appears Google's innovations are shaping Apple's decisions. The iPhone 16e, in particular, marks a departure from Apple's previous approach to affordable models. Unlike the iPhone SE, which was a distinct budget-friendly option, the iPhone 16e is integrated into the main iPhone 16 lineup. It shares the same design language and core specifications as the flagship models, albeit with some toned-down features. This strategy mirrors Google's approach with its Pixel A series, such as the Pixel 8o, which offers a premium experience at a more accessible price point. By aligning the iPhone 16e with its premium counterparts, Apple is likely aimed to avoid the budget phone stigma, which may have hindered the success of earlier SE models. The iPhone 17 Pro, on the other hand, hints at Apple's willingness to adopt design elements popularized by Google. Leaked renders suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a horizontal bar on the back, a design trait closely associated with Google's Pixel phones. While smartphone designs have become increasingly homogenized due to technological constraints, the inclusion of this bar seems like a deliberate nod to Google's aesthetic. The triangular camera arrangement on the iPhone 17 Pro adds a unique touch, but the horizontal bar appears to serve no functional purpose, leading many to speculate that Apple is attempting to appeal to customers who might have been drawn to Google's design philosophy. This move underscores the growing influence of Google's Pixel lineup, even if it hasn't yet achieved the same sales figures as Apple's iPhones. Beyond design, Apple is also making significant strides in artificial intelligence, an area where Google has long been a pioneer. Google introduced AI-powered features to smartphones years ago, while Apple has been slower to embrace this technology. However, with the introduction of Apple Intelligence, the company is making a concerted effort to catch up. The rollout has been somewhat uneven, but Apple's commitment to AI is evident. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro will come equipped with additional RAM to support these advanced features, a notable shift for a company that has historically been conservative with memory allocation. By prioritizing AI and increasing hardware capabilities, Apple is signaling its determination to compete with Google in this critical domain. So what does all of this mean for the future of the smartphone market? While Apple remains a dominant force, Google's influence is undeniably growing. Pixel shipments are steadily increasing, and Apple's apparent response to Google's strategies suggests that the competition is heating up. Whether it's through design choices, AI integration, or pricing strategies, Apple seems to be acknowledging Google as a formidable rival. This rivalry is ultimately beneficial for consumers as it drives innovation and pushes both companies to deliver better products. If you found this analysis insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the latest developments in the world of technology. What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of that hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with the Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The X85 modem isn't just about speed, it's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense match. It also promises clearer voice and video calls, along with seamless switching between Wi Fi and cellular networks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, working on the go, or video calling a friend, the Galaxy S26 could make everything feel faster and more reliable. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip is a strong contender, Samsung might also use its own Exynos 2600 processor in some regions. If that happens, the Galaxy S26 could feature the Exynos Motive 5400, which boasts even higher download speeds of up to 14.79 Gbps. This dual-chip strategy means Samsung could tailor the device to different markets while still delivering top-tier 5G performance. Whether it's Qualcomm or Exynos, one thing's clear: Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone connectivity. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who relies on fast internet for work, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy S26 could be a game changer. Faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features could make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. But it's not just about speed, it's about how that speed enhances your daily life. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in seconds, streaming your favorite show without buffering, or playing an online game with zero lag. These are the kinds of experiences the Galaxy S26 could deliver. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Faster 5G speeds don't just benefit individual users, they have the potential to transform entire industries. From real-time video calls that feel like face-to-face conversations to smart home devices that respond instantly, the possibilities are endless. The Galaxy S26 could be at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Are you excited about the potential for faster 5G speed? Samsung has just launched the Galaxy F56 5G, and many are wondering if it's worth upgrading from the Galaxy F55. This new model boasts a brighter display, a faster processor, longer software support, and quicker charging. But do these upgrades make a significant difference, or is it better to stick with the A55? Let's break it down. The F56 5G keeps the premium feel with a sleek glass back and metal frame, but it's now slimmer and lighter. It also comes with an IP67 rating, ensuring protection against dust and minor water exposure. While the design remains familiar, Samsung has introduced fresh color options like awesome graphite and awesome light blue, giving users more variety to choose from. One of the noticeable improvements is the display. The F56 5G features a slightly larger 6.7-inch screen compared to the 6.6-inch panel on the A55. Brightness levels have been increased, reaching 1,200 nits instead of 1,000 nits, making outdoor visibility even better. Both models still offer a full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth viewing experience. Additionally, Samsung has integrated AI-powered enhancements that optimize battery life, voice recognition, and camera performance. When it comes to cameras, the rear setup remains unchanged, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. However, the front camera sees a change. The A55 is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the F56 5G uses a 12-megapixel sensor. Although the resolution is lower, Samsung has introduced video HDR